Hey guys, I did another mac and cheese video today, but you didn't see it because it failed again. This time I did use the Velveeta, and I actually added some cornbread stuffing to it to try to hold it together. You know what though? I don't care that it didn't make patties, because it tastes so good when you finish up the mac and cheese on the griddle. 36 inches of pure gold. So, just a quick video to let you know. I tried, but didn't work out. But in actuality, it did kind of work out because it's still going to taste awesome. Brown it up. Just going to keep it on here, brown it up a little bit. It's good times. We'll see you next time. Unless my phone melts.